sliding the doors in。伊这个物柜啊，你直接开进去的吧？这个物柜小的。There's no matter which glass goes in first. And okay. 这个没修啊，没有先后的是吧？Okay, make sure this is the door holes. Make sure it's on the middle. So this is the door holes here. So make sure it's, they match on the middle. Slide in. Yes. So this is the two door hole. Yes, the door holes over there for the future handles. Okay, we're gonna install another piece of panels. Again, one of the aluminum frame with the recess.